everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. We are talking about Uthando nesithembu. Alright guys, I'm now confused. I thought Macele and Mangwabe were friends, but after today's episode I'm not sure anymore. This is what happened guys. Mamkhulu's children told her that they greeted Mamncane or Mangwabe, but she didn't respond or greet them back. Instead of Macele asking Mangwabe, she went straight to her husband and complained about Mangwabe's attitude toward her and her children. When Macele asked Mangwabe, she told him that she wouldn't do that. She's not a child. And for the first time, guys, Macele sides with him. Their outing turned to something else as Mangwabe didn't even attend the family dinner. So guys, Macele gumandla nduna kahle kahle from kwaKhalanyonini. He always receives complaints left, right and center from his family against each other. Truly speaking guys, today's episode really convinced me ukuthi Uthando nesithembu is scriptured. Kudlala ngathi la guys is serious. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.